Okay, so we are doing the calipers. So as you guys know, I did the 91 Integra DA9 knuckles, upgraded all that. So not an upgrade, but it is bigger rotors and bigger calipers, so it will help with the braking situation rather than having to go like straight aftermarket, which I will eventually do, but just for right now, this is what I'll do. And it was a way easier fix. I'm able to put like a bigger rotor and everything on it. So they were all cruddy and nasty, and I spent hours cleaning these, putting it in our teens parts washer and spraying them down. I got them as clean as I could. There's just years of built up guck on it, so I just kind of said screw it, I'm just gonna go along with it. But just going with silver for right now. I mean, nothing crazy, just gonna do silver, have it look nice and clean, and then eventually in the future when I do the next wrap and everything, then we'll do some either paint matched or a cool design on this. So yeah. Nice man, Kyle. Giving the wheels a good old coat. Oh, look at that. He's matching. Hey, that's actually sick. You like the X's? Maybe we'll do that for Kyle. We got Kyle over here. He's helping me out, doing some good old Ceramic Pro on the wheels. Keep them clean. Shout out Kyle. Shout out Ceramic Pro. Shout out Teddy Bears. Cannot wait for these to be on the car. All right, guys, so today we're over at Blake Wilkie's event. He's doing the new premiere for Urban Assault 3. Yeah! We got Quag here. So shout out to boy Blake Wilkie. Had the boys come out. We got the boys' cars parked out there. Artine and Craig got their pre-runners out there. We got a ton of sick pre-runners here. So like I said, shout out to Blake. Hooking us up with some tickets to come out and check out the event. So gonna put some clips right now of some of the cars here, so enjoy it. Today we got Craig and Artine's cars up top. So shout out Blake for inviting us, having us out, letting us park our whips up front. Gonna take you guys inside and give you a little look at it. Like I said, he's dropping his Urban Assault 3, so that's gonna be his video. Based in Tijuana, so we're at the premiere tonight. We're actually gonna be able to see it, but come on inside and we'll show you some of the cars. All right, guys, so I wasn't able to get much content of the Blake Wilkie event as I wanted. Honestly, just ended up having a really good time with my friends, having a fun time, so wasn't really recording much. But once again, shout out Blake, always hooking it up with merch or just these events, and appreciate him for letting Artine and Craig bring the cars and park it up at the event. So that was awesome of him. This next segment we're gonna get into is with my buddy JCD. If you guys don't know who JCD is, my homie JCD is a Pro-Am driver, champion by the way, unbelievably great driver, probably one of the nastiest, most raw drivers I personally know and have ever met. So JCD works with Lamborghini and BMW as well. He races for both of them. Unfortunately, he was in an accident a couple weeks ago. Poor calling, I will say that. Very poor judgment, but not his fault. Ended up fracturing his back, messing it up a little bit. So he's on the road to recovery. So we've been going over there, hanging out with him, giving him a good time while he's been in pain. This next segment is going to be just kind of talking about his E46 that he has. Not really talking about that, but if you guys haven't, go over to JCD, show him some love, and hopefully he'll be back soon and reigning champion take that cup again. He looks at us and goes, yeah, I'm gonna do a hot lap real quick just before I do this to get the diff warmed up. First thing he does is pull out and do a donut. That's crazy.
He's not fast enough.
And then you come down the hill and you got everybody's cars. You got the M3, the town car, CJ's Subi, JCD's truck, Artine's diesel. The 5.0. How'd that feel, big dog? Right? This thing used to be supercharged, right?
Yeah, dude, I tried to rip donuts in second, dude. She didn't have enough guys.
That was
like,
sick.
we gotta drop it down.
This is, dude, it sounded so good. I heard you literally coming down the mountainside. I literally heard you. I was like, I gotta start recording again.
You're not an E46 guy if your gas door's not flying open.
It's such a common thing.
Dude, it's always happening, bro.
How'd it feel though? When's the last time you drove this thing? Jeez.
She used to be supercharged, like I said, so it's a little bit different now that it's back to the kind of grassroots 260 at the wheel.
Yeah.
But honestly, like, it's a go-kart. Craig was just appreciating, like, you can rip this thing and it absolutely holds the road. So it's kind of like an air-cooled Porsche, right?
Yeah.
You got to appreciate it for what it is. It doesn't have the new school power, but it's such a fun car to drive.
I remember when I first met JCD, he had the E46 and he pulled up at RSF. I was like, no way, this thing is so clean. It sounded so good. I think it was supercharged then. It was supercharged, so it had this nasty little whine. Not like loud, but it just sounded good. And the one thing is just like the interior of this car is just phenomenal. Like, short shifter?
Yeah, it's got, everyone does that, what, CAE one?
Yeah.
And this one was like an off make of that. It doesn't have like that really cool mechanical look to it, but it works good.
It's clean. It works.
Ooh, wow.
Shifts. I love the color.
I'll remember hearing it.
Saddle brown on black.
Yeah, cinnamon.
Cinnamon, that's what it is. You're right, yeah.
Cinnamon, jet black, I'll do it. I gotta go with some Apexes. Those are my dailies. Right?
Dude, Apexes are nice.
I was telling Craig I gotta stop being so cheap. Maybe throw some BBSs. I don't know.
I think you were showing me those BBSs today. Those are clean.
I want those bad. Those are hard. They've been discontinued. Those RS2s or whatever.
Yeah, they
I want
are.
3-barrel, and that's hard to find.
This is his E46. He's got a ton. We're gonna, be showing his car a lot more on the channel, but
We'll just show a sneak peek of the
oh, should we show them? Oh, should we show them? Let's just give them a sneak peek, a little sneak peek. This is all you get. This is all you get. Try and figure it out, but give him a follow. He's got a YouTube as well, Instagram, JCD Racing.
Yeah.
Right? So JCD Racing on all those. So give my boy a
girl bands going
yeah, exactly, in the back. So give my boy a follow, subscribe, like, comment if you want to see some more content with him. But we're gonna go party, so
Let's go.
let's go.